If you ever want to clean up your Instagram profile or remove an old photo or video, deleting a post is very simple and can be done in just a few taps. This guide will walk you through the process in an easy and natural way so you can follow along without confusion. Open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your posts are displayed. Now scroll through your profile and find the post you want to delete. Tap on that post to open it fully. In the top right corner of the post, you will see 3 vertical dots, also called the menu icon. Tap on it to open more options. From the list that appears, select the delete option. Instagram will ask you to confirm your action to make sure you don't delete something by mistake. Tap delete again and your post will be removed from your profile immediately. If you ever change your mind, don't worry. Instagram gives you a safety option. Deleted posts stay in the recently deleted folder for up to 30 days. To access it, go to your profile, tap the menu, 3 lines in the top right corner, select your activity, and then tap recently deleted to restore your post anytime within the time limit. That's it. Quick, simple, and user-friendly way to manage your Instagram content whenever you need.